Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons, an initiative taken by Set Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself Mridula Karderu, mathematics teacher for standard 5th. So children, let us continue with chapter number 15, data handling. So children, let us begin. Students, in this video we are going to solve another bar graph, that is question number 9. The appropriate population of India as found by census surveys in different decades is as follows. So children, they have given the record of the census in particular years, how much population is there. So in the year 1931 it was 28 crores, 41, 32, 1951 35, 1961 44, 1971 54 and 1981 71 crores. Now we have to plot the graph for this. So first take a bar, that is graph sheet, and plot x-axis and y-axis. I have already shown you how to plot x-axis and y-axis. Yes? Okay. Now in x-axis we are going to take the years which are given. So 31, 41, 51 after every 10 years. So the gap will be 10 years. So what you will do now? You will take again 1931, 1941, 1951, 1961, 1971 and 1981 right here. 1931, 1941, 1951, 1961, 1971 and 1981. Now we have plotted the x-axis and what it is? Years. So you just write year. So x-axis represents the year. Now we have to take y-axis. So how will you give y-axis? Now see here, they are not the multiple of 5. They have given random numbers. So how will you arrange it? So students, I will again take 5 crores as one unit. So I will mark 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70 and 75. I will stop here because my last is 71. Now how to plot these random numbers? In the earlier case, as it was multiples of 5, it was very easy for us to plot the graph. Now let us see. 1931, it was 28 crores. Children, observe carefully how to plot 28 crores in 1931. So it is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now here we have 25. Now in between 25 and 30, if you observe the one square, we have 10 divisions. First I will explain you that. See here children, here if you consider one block, when you observe this one block carefully, we have 10 divisions. See here children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Similarly, if you count like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is having 10 by 10 square. So it is a square. Now in between 25 and 30. So here if we have marked here 25 and here as 30. So in between these 10 divisions 10 lines, we have to plot 5 numbers. Which are those 5 numbers? It will be 25 is already marked, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. 25 is already marked. So when you divide this 10 lines by 5, 10 lines are there and 5 numbers are there. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So for every one number you have to leave 2 lines. So after 25, 1 line, 2 line. So after 2 lines it will be 26. Next, again after 2 lines, 1, 2, it will be 27. Again 1, 2, 28, 1, 2, 29. Again after 2 it will be 30. So my number is 28. So where I have to mark? After 25. So children, try to plot here. After 25. 1, 2, 26. After that 1, 2, 27. Next 1, 2, 28. 1, 2, 29 and 30. So 28, it comes here, isn't it? So mark it. It is here. If you are getting confused to plot directly, use the scale. You have plotted 28 here, isn't it? So just keep the scale and draw the line. Now I have drawn it, isn't it? Now join it to these 2 points. Next we have in 1941 we have 32. So children, again same procedure you have to follow. Here we have 30. Next, how will you plot? 1, 2, 31, 1, 2, 32. You got 32 now, isn't it? Now what you do? Use your scale and plot the point. Observe children here carefully. I have plotted the points and draw the bar like this. Next we have 1951. It is 35. It is very easy. 1951, 35 comes here directly. So draw the bar. Next we have in 1961 44. So first plot 44. Here we have 40, 41, 1, 2, 42, 1, 2, 43, 1, 2, 44. We have marked 44 now. So join the line here. So 1961 is here. Now corresponding to it, when you go up, you find it at this point. If you are finding difficulty, you can use scale to plot the dot like this. Is it clear children? Now points are plotted. Now draw the bar. Similarly 1971 it is 54 and 81 it is 71. So plot it. 54 comes where? 50. After 2 lines 51, 1, 2, 52, 53, 54. So we got 54. Now draw the lines. So we get it here. 54. Is it clear? Now draw lines. Similarly for 71. Here we have 70. After 2 lines 1, 2, we have 71 here. So plot the bar. So children, this is how we are going to plot the bar graph for irregular numbers, and scale taken is 1 unit is equals to 5 crores, because we are taking the population here, that is 5 crores.